Samsung plans to invest $228 billion in a new semiconductor complex in South Korea, which the government says will be the world's largest by 2042. The investment is part of South Korea's efforts to take a lead in critical technologies, with the government aiming to spur development in areas including chips, displays, batteries, and electric vehicles. Samsung's new chip complex will be built just outside the South Korean capital of Seoul and will be part of a semiconductor mega cluster that will link up various parts of the semiconductor supply chain from chip design to manufacturing. The move is seen as a way for South Korea to catch up with the US's own aggressive chip investments, which are part of the US's twofold strategy to bring chip manufacturing back to US shores and hold back China's semiconductor development.